Cavitcleaner presents Blue Turtle. Inspired by nature, engineered for performance. Introducing the Blue Turtle ROV cleaning system. Powered by advanced cavitation technology, Blue Turtle generates controlled microbubbles that remove fouling with precision and force. From hulls to submerged surfaces, Blue Turtle restores performance, improves efficiency, and reduces downtime. Blue Turtle, the evolution of underwater cleaning. Powered by Cavitcleaner. In collaboration with Blue Robotics and SubSeaLED.